Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious yogurt bark. We will start by gathering our simple ingredients. You will need about 2 cups of plain Greek yogurt, which is ideal for its thickness, and any toppings you love, such as fresh berries, granola, or chocolate chips. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. This small step makes cleanup and removal incredibly easy. Now let's spread the yogurt. Pour your 2 cups of Greek yogurt onto the prepared parchment paper. Use a spatula to spread it into an even layer, aiming for about 1/4 inch thickness. Next, sprinkle your favorite toppings generously across the yogurt. Don't be shy. Gently press them down so they adhere well. This ensures your toppings stay put when the bark is frozen solid. Once topped, place your baking sheet into the freezer. Allow it to freeze for a minimum of 2 to 3 hours, or until it is completely solid. You will know it is ready when it snaps cleanly rather than bending. Carefully peel the frozen yogurt from the parchment paper. Then, break it into irregular, bite-sized pieces. These unique shapes add to the fun of this healthy treat. To store your delicious yogurt bark, place any leftovers in an airtight container or freezer bag. It will keep well in the freezer for up to 2 weeks, making it a perfect grab-and-go snack. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Try different fruits, nuts, seeds, or even a drizzle of melted chocolate. A touch of honey or maple syrup can also add a lovely sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.